In his lecture on the dangers of ideology and groupthink, Jordan Peterson, a clinical psychologist and professor at the University of Toronto, explores the ways in which these two concepts can lead to a lack of critical thinking and negative consequences for individuals and society. Ideology, according to Peterson, is a set of beliefs that is accepted without question, often serving as a lens through which we view the world. This can be a dangerous tendency, as it can lead to closed-mindedness and a refusal to consider alternative viewpoints. Additionally, ideology can often be used as a justification for harmful actions, as individuals may believe that their beliefs are superior to those of others and therefore justified in imposing them on others. Groupthink is another dangerous phenomenon that can arise when individuals become too entrenched in their beliefs and values. This often occurs when people become part of a group that holds similar beliefs, leading to a lack of dissent and a refusal to consider alternative viewpoints. Groupthink can lead to a lack of creativity and critical thinking, as well as a tendency towards conformity and a lack of individuality. Both ideology and groupthink can have serious consequences for society, as they can lead to a lack of progress and the perpetuation of harmful ideas and practices. It is important, therefore, to be aware of these tendencies and to strive to maintain a critical and open-minded approach to the world. This means being willing to consider alternative viewpoints and to question our own beliefs, rather than simply accepting them blindly. Peterson also discusses the importance of personal responsibility and the dangers of blaming external factors for our problems. He argues that we must take ownership of our lives and actions, rather than seeking to blame external forces for our problems. This requires a willingness to confront difficult truths and to make difficult choices, rather than simply seeking comfort and security. Ultimately, the lecture on the dangers of ideology and groupthink is a thought-provoking examination of the ways in which our beliefs and values can shape our perceptions of the world and the consequences that can arise from a lack of critical thinking and open-mindedness. By being aware of these dangers and striving to maintain a critical and open-minded approach to the world, we can avoid the negative consequences of ideology and groupthink and work towards a better future for ourselves and society as a whole.